This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use. So this section you'll be able to select the server section. As you can see, there are a lot of servers which you can choose from. Here you can see quite a lot of servers, and these servers are pretty much free. You don't need a subscription or anything like that. So whichever one you choose, it's all based upon you, but based on all these servers, the most likely, the fastest server is the German or the Belgium servers, or you can just select the automatic option where it will just select the best server for you. So to connect this VPN is very simple. All I have to just tap on the start option here. We'll ask for connection request, to tap on OK, and it will start connecting in no time. You may see an ads, let's say 50% of the time you may see an ads, but once VPN start connecting, as you can see here, it will automatically select the best server for you to use. And once it's connected, you're pretty much good to go. So as you can see here, we'll see
Norton 36
ads. Once you do see any ads, all you have to do is just pretty much X off and you're good to go. So as you can see here, just tap on the X and you're pretty much connected. So the VPN application is pretty much decent, nothing much. Very similar to the VPN application that we reviewed before on this channel. Simple layout, similar layout, but this VPN application here has more servers. That's pretty much only the different thing about this. But very decent VPN application, I would say. But with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.